In this video, I will show you how to create the client-side validations in Next.js. So we will be using Zord and React hook forms. So I will install this dependencies, and I will show you how to do client validations using Zord. And also in the next part, we will also see how to create client side as well as server side validations together in the same form. Okay, first let's do the client side part. And if I go to my VS Code now, you can see that I have a plain form here. And what I need to do is we need to install these three packages. So I will provide this packages into the description, this command, and also I will give a link to the form where you can copy paste the entire form and test it by yourself. So now let's go to the code. And first, what we need to do is once we install those packages, we need to include them. Okay, and let's import these packages first. So I have imported these packages. Now let's create a form schema. Okay, so for the Zord, so let's create a form schema for the Zord with validation messages. So const form schema, and you can see that we need to include all this package, all of this data over here. So now what we have to remove from this is I just have name, password, username, and email. So let's remove this address and phone. So we do not require them. Okay, so we have defined a schema over here, and if we see all the fields, we are using the same fields. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. Okay, this will avoid the types checking for the TypeScript because it will already take it from the form schema that we have defined on top. Okay, once we do this, then what we do is uh, we go to this function again. Okay, we go to this function again under this. We will now create the methods that the React form hook form provides us with, and there will be a Zord resolver here. Okay, so let's re-indent this, and okay, these are the methods that we will use. Okay, next what we will do is we'll have an on submit function, and we will just log the user form data. Okay, so we will just log the user form data over here. So I'll just reject this, and because this is my AI tools which are working, so I just ignore that. So now let's go to the form. So we have provided a submit method over here. So let's create on submit handler here. So on submit handler, and we are calling the on submit method over here. Okay. So this when the form is submitted, the data will get submitted to this function when if there are no errors. Okay. So next what I need to do is I need to change this. I need to remove this. Okay, the name, and then we will have dot register name. Okay. It should be like this. Okay, dot register name. Then also if you come down here, dot register email. Okay, we need to register the name, email. The same goes to username, then the password, and then the. Okay, we'll also include confirm password over here. Okay, so I have included the confirm password, and also we need to include the custom password just below this. So I have included the custom password as well now, and if we check a form, Okay, so you can see that the confirm password is included. Okay, now if I go to this, if I type my name, my email, and username, okay, and password, and some wrong password back again, and click on add user, you can see nothing happens. Okay, so we do not go to the on submit function because we still have errors, but we are not displaying those errors now. Okay, so first we need to display these errors as well. So let's display the errors. So I'm displaying the errors from the Zod. So this will be the way how we display the errors. Okay, next we will display the error for the email. So let's display the error. Okay, same goes to the username. Okay, next we'll come to the password and then we'll come to the confirm password. Okay, let's save this. Okay, and now let's refresh this and you can see. So if I go here now and I just say create over here, and you can see I type I keep this blank username, then I just go here and I type some wrong password and here something else, and if I click on add, you can see that username is required. So I just put something over here, and if I click, now you can see the form as submitted. Okay, but it didn't check the, okay, because it didn't check the confirm password, because we did not add the confirm password logic into our validation. So now you can see the form is getting submitted. Okay, but and the validations are also working. So if it is less than 5, then it will give you this validation error message. Okay, and if this is also blank, it will give you a validation error message. So this is how the validations work. And we will also see about the confirm password now. So how to make it work. So next part is, okay, to in order to get the confirm password, just we need to extend this to refine. Okay, to refine data password and confirm password. So this will take the password and the confirm password. Password does not match and we need to provide it the path and we need to close this. Okay, and we need to also provide this message just below the, okay, just confirm password, just copy this and you can see confirm password message is shown here. So this should do the work. So it will show the confirm password message if it does not match. So once I save this and if I go to the code now, you can see that let's edit this password. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let's also edit this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you can see that the password do not match message comes over here. So this is how the validations work in the client side, and I will provide this code for you in the description, and also I will give the commands, and also we will see in the next video how to do the server side validations with the client side validations, so how both of these work together. So thank you for watching guys, and if you have any comment, just post it into the comments.